Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few meals offer the pure, unadulterated pleasure of comfort food quite like macaroni and cheese. It is a universal, satisfying dish. Yet, if you travel to the Swiss Alps, you will find a uniquely hearty variation that raises the bar for coziness. This dish is called Älplermagronen, pronounced roughly as Älplermagronen. It is the ultimate Swiss answer to the classic mac and cheese dilemma. This warming meal is more than just pasta and dairy. It is a substantial union of small elbow macaroni, diced potatoes, melted cheese, and a splash of cream. Traditionally, herders preparing this dish in high alpine meadows relied on basic, shelf-stable ingredients. The unique combination of macaroni and potatoes together is what defines this dish. It makes for an incredibly filling, dense, and flavorful experience that truly satisfies on a cold day. The mountain legend: why does this Swiss mac and cheese use potatoes? The history of Älplermagronen is directly tied to its name. Älplermagronen literally translates to alpine herdsman's macaroni. This dish originates as a practical, low-cost, high-calorie meal designed for workers in remote mountainous regions. Herders and farmers needed food that was substantial enough to provide energy for long hours of physical labor. Ingredients also needed to be easy to transport and store without spoiling quickly. In the challenging conditions of the Alps, the humble potato proved essential. Potatoes are easy to store and full of necessary carbohydrates. Combining them with pasta drastically increases the dish's caloric density and bulk. This approach stretched the more expensive ingredients, like cheese, further. The potato is not just filler, its starch helps create that velvety texture when stirred with the melted cheese and cream. It is a testament to resourceful, traditional mountain cooking. Choosing the best cheeses for a creamy Swiss melt. The correct cheese is truly crucial to achieving the authentic, savory flavor of this dish. You cannot rely on pre-shredded cheddar here. Traditional recipes demand high-quality Swiss hard cheeses. Gruyere is arguably the most preferred choice. It offers a wonderfully complex, nutty, and savory sharpness. Another excellent option is Appenzeller. This cheese is known for its subtly spicy, herbaceous notes. Some variations use Emmentaler, which is milder and melts beautifully, though it creates a less intense flavor profile than Gruyere. Use cheese meant for grating. Avoid soft cheeses, which often become oily when melted. You need a finely grated, dry cheese to bind effectively with the cream and potato starch, creating a smooth, rich coating. Cheese type. Flavor profile. Melting characteristic. Gruyere. Nutty, earthy, savory, sharp. Excellent, very smooth melt. Appenzeller. Spicy, herbaceous, complex. Excellent, smooth melt. Emmentaler. Mild, slightly fruity, mellow. Good, softer texture. The essential component: crispy caramelized onions. While the macaroni, potatoes, and cheese form the backbone of the dish, the garnish of crispy caramelized onions is non-negotiable. Without this topping, you miss a fundamental textural and flavor component. The fried onions provide necessary sweetness, deep savory notes, and a contrasting crunch. This balance is key to cutting through the richness of the creamy pasta and potatoes. To prepare them, you must thinly slice large amounts of onion. Then, you fry the slices slowly in butter or oil until they are deeply browned and brittle, almost like onion rings. They are not merely softened, they must achieve a deep caramelization. These sweet, slightly burnt onions are scattered generously over the finished dish just before serving. Now that you've seen how this Alpine classic began, there's more to discover. In the next part, we'll explore how to make authentic Älplermagronen at home, from the perfect cheese blend to the signature caramelized onions. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.